Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Think Canvas. Here we are going to talk about how you can use palette knife for oil paints. So here I have a 12 mm thick V-boat. You can either start by sketching or you can apply paints directly with the help of palette knife. So here I choose to sketch. I am kind of a person who like to paint big canvases, but due to time constraints sometimes you need to draw quickly or paint quickly, so I choose this small canvas for my practice and also to learn new technique. Here I'm using my favorite titanium white, turquoise blue, burnt sienna color. You can also watch my previous videos on oil painting tutorial where I'm also using paint using brush, so you can also subscribe my channel to learn more. I didn't prime the surface, so what I did that I put the paint directly with the help of palette knife. Here I am directly mixing the color on the canvas. This was the first time that I used palette knife and such a small canvas and painted it within just 1 hour. It was a great achievement for me. If you have seen my earlier paintings, they were much more detailed and so much time was spent on them. So this time I thought that using different technique and different material might save my time, and I will explore something new because I saw so many artists using palette knife. So I was just painting till now with brushes, so they're really difficult to clean, but the palette knife was really easy to use, really easy to clean, and you have no more like you're directly putting raw paint on it without mixing any oils or something. Thank you for watching my video, so please like, subscribe and share my channel. If you have any question, you can directly ask me in the comment section.